Hello friends, this is Sai Fanidhar from SQL School and I assure you practical step-by-step classes on Snowflake. It's all into data warehouse and ETL technologies. Over 19 years of technical expertise, completely on database technologies and big data platform. I assure you practical, realistic, project-oriented classes on Snowflake. What is Snowflake and why we need it? Yes, Snowflake is all about big data. Snowflake is all about data warehouse. And in our classes, we'll start from the scratch. We'll start from the very basics of data, big data, cloud, and cloud computing activities. I assure you practical step-by-step classes. In our sessions, we'll be taking good amount of wide varieties of data, files, structured, unstructured, and semi-structured files, databases, relational and non-relational databases, cloud and non-cloud databases, and we'll understand how to construct meaningful, useful Snowflake data warehouses. And we'll also understand how to perform data analytic activities. In Snowflake, we are going to learn very important concepts like design and management of warehouse in cloud. We are going to learn big data cloud environment, ETL environment, and live streaming data loads. These are the main key takeaways of our classes. We are going to learn additional advanced topics pertaining to Snow pipes and Snow SQL master classes, incremental loads, and wide variety of optimization techniques we are going to understand practically in our classes. Next, the Snowflake, the ETL and data warehouse pyramid understanding part with real-time project in e-commerce domain for your resume and for your day-to-day job work part of these classes. Coming to the career options, Snowflake has undoubtedly good consistent career option. And it's always the best fit for any participant from non-IT or IT background who wanted to step into data warehouse. In case if you wish to go for MS SQL first, then step into Snowflake next. It works for best understanding of the classes. However, you are already aware of SQL, you can directly go for Snowflake, no problem. If not, go for SQL first, Snowflake next. This combination works in good amount of ways. And choose us if you are looking for complete hands-on training. Choose us if you are looking for 100% practical classes. And choose us if you are looking for real-time project-oriented classes. And with this, we'll stop for now. We assure you practical classes once again. And let's have a live demo session. Let's understand how to bundle multiple technologies together if you are into experience profile. Let's meet live for a demo session and let's understand more about the technical activities in Snowflake. For SQL module, I will be the trainer. For Snowflake, self-paced videos, I am the trainer. For live training, either myself or Gunashekaran, one of us would be taking the classes. Thank you so much and see you soon in the live demo session. Thank you once again. Bye-bye. Happy journey. Thank you so much.